beauty. It's all around us. So I don't know what that was all about. That was pretty weird. But that's okay. Look at the puppy. Cute. The cutest of puppies ever. I just got a text from my fan, Justin with a Y. He's a nerd. That's not important. I saw it and I'm like, call about. Hi, puppy. Oh, you're so cute. So cute to handle, dude. I love him with my heart. He tastes like dirt and pain. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding. I never kid. I only adult. Is that stupid or what? It's like the stupidest thing ever. I never kid, I only adult. Dude, the snow's gone. It's just gone. It was there yesterday and the day before, now it's just gone. Spring is finally prevailing. The White Witch is out of here. Thanks, Aslan. Oh, I burped while making an Narnia reference. That's pretty great. Nick, add that in the montage. My friend noticed that I only burp in vlogs and that I almost never burp in real life. I've counted 4 times since I started vlogging that I've actually burped. It's been almost a year. Anyway, he's commented on a video. He's like, I'm gonna make a montage of your burps. And I'm like, that's weird. But I am too, so that's awesome. So that's the thing now. That'd be so funny though. I want him to make it now, definitely. And I want it to be up around the same time as my best moment, my vlog highlight reel thing goes up. So like at the 1-year anniversary of everything. That'd be cool. I'm a nerd. Nerds are fun. I belched. It's gross. That was 2 burps, dude, in one vlog. It's ridiculous. And that's a goat. Anyway. Oh, you're a dog, also. He doesn't know it. I mean, he does now, obviously, I told him. Make sure you're a dog, you're not a person. No, but I still, I mean, you're a person to me. My love, me petting you. Nerd! I'm kidding. He thinks I'm serious. I feel so bad for him. He has to deal with me coming out and vlogging in his face. Birds! 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 I should do a bird watching video. That'd be the dorkiest thing possible. That really would. That would be so nerd. Add that to the list of videos. Also, today, 2 of my friends hacked my phone and found my YouTube account. So they either have subscribed or will subscribe to Fridge Monster Films. I'm gonna get them to subscribe to everything else. You're a dog, dude! I love you! And freaking other stuff. But they're like, they were watching I love you, the most subscribed YouTube channel video from like the beginning of last summer or whatever, and they're like, you need to do next one of these you make, you need to add us in it. And I'm like, okay. So now I'm thinking about it, and I have 22 subscribers, I think, now, and I had 11 at that point. So I'm gonna make another one of those videos sometime, and I'm actually gonna have some people in it, probably. It's gonna kind of pop up. I'm gonna show them. They're just gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's my friend. Yeah. So that's dorky and stupid, but it's also awesome. There's a leaf following me. I'm a leaf on the wind. Watch how I. Oh, ow. Good lord, that was impromptu. Majorly, and it was gross. Freaking what's that movie? Nathan Fillion. Other people, Adam Baldwin from Chuck. The whole cast of Firefly, because it was a spin-off of Firefly. Serenity. That's just it's the saddest part of that whole movie is when he's piloting the ship and he's trying to land it and he's like, leaf on the wind. Look how and then a huge freaking shard of metal comes through the hull and just stabs him and he just kind of dies like that. Sad. He's an awesome character. He's one of my favorites. He's smart mouth and it's funny. I wanted him to be in the rest of the movie and these potential sequels that they've been talking about for 8 years. I tripped over that. I feel like an idiot. It's because I am. No. Oh, gross. Anyway. Oh, goodness. It's been a weird day. Most of them are, though. Wasn't too much work involved. Thank goodness. Oh, I wrote a line in my book today, and I was gonna write all hour, and then the bell rang, and I'm like, oh, all hour was 10 minutes. Great. Fantastic. I was, yeah. I was writing, I don't even remember oh goodness. I'm writing this scene that wasn't in the original version, but I'm trying to beef it up, make it better, make it longer so people will actually want to read it, let alone publish it. And this scene just kind of adds to one of the character's abilities, because in the original you don't really see that character's abilities for half the book. And then the main character, you would have seen his abilities. But in this version, he's not going to have abilities. I'm going to make him specialer. Much more specialer. Gotta make him that more specialer. More specialer. Instead of I'm loving it, McDonald's. Step up your advertising game, dude. Really. You guys are goats. Don't want to bring that crushing revelation on you. She's twitching. I better go check on her in a little bit. He's just staring off into the sun. Woof! I didn't just spit. It looked like I did. Okay, so the sun's bright. I'm still gonna sit here. Oh. I can't even look at you, so I don't even know if I'm recording anymore. That's okay. Am I recording? Pumpernickel! I don't know. Anyway, so I want to do a thing, and I thought about it last night, and it's where I just stand in front of the camera, the microphone. You see these? Because I don't know. Stand-up comedy. Trying to see if I'm any good at stand-up. Oh, it's bright and it's windy. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Yeah. So stand-up would be fun, wouldn't it? I think so. I would really enjoy. Oh, wind blown away. Can't drop phone. Oh goodness. Shut up. Kidding. I love you. Keep making sounds. That's fine. Anyway. Just jumped over a bunch of stuff. What am I even talking about anymore? Stand-up. I would love to do some fake stand-up comedy in front of an audience of myself. And then show it to you people. I'm gonna do that soon. Have a weekly 8-minute stand-up comedy monologue. It'd be awesome. I mean, it really wouldn't be hard for me, except, not being able to walk around, because the camera would be fixed. But I do really weird improvisational comedy blurbs every day on this channel. And that's why you should subscribe. Haha! You were wondering how that was all gonna wrap around into. Subscribe right now. Big red button somewhere. Leave a comment about what I should blurb about tomorrow. Blurb, I like that word. Or, you know, any other day of the week. Nikolai, if you watch this, comment and tell me that you're gonna put that in the montage thing. And also tell me if you're willing, to actually do that and have it done by May 5th or something. I don't know. I don't remember what day it was. May 5th or May 4th. I'm almost sure it's one of those two. Anyway. Yeah. So, good night. Stay tight. Don't let the frigid monsters bite and stuff. All that good jazz music. Hi!
I'm gonna fix that now.
Hi. Anyway. Oh, we're still recording, aren't we? Aren't we? Let's go inside and look at this dog. Let's make her feel special. Do you feel special, Bailey? Do you feel special? 'Cause you are. Head bung. Goodbye.